I'm Courtney Malik with Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct. For the past month, we've been telling you all the benefits of CAD-CUT Premium Plus, the new heat transfer material from Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct. From the soft feel to the matte finish, and even how easy it can make in production. Today, we'll actually show you Premium Plus in action. So keep watching. We're going to create a 4-color design from start to finish that can be easily seen in any resort wear. Here's a peek of what the total image will look like when we're finished. We'll separate the design into 4 colors to cut, weed, and heat apply. This design was provided to us by Casey Bellamy from the Art Institute of Pittsburgh. Premium Plus comes in 40 unique colors. Here we're using University Gold, Light Royal, Texas Orange, and White. Now that we've cut our materials, we'll begin the weeding process. Because Premium Plus has a low tack carrier, we're able to pull the excess material easily when weeding. We were even able to achieve this fine detail with Premium Plus. When heat applying multicolored designs with Premium Plus, you can speed up the process by applying the first layers in less time. Just tack the first layer for a few seconds at the recommended temperature and pressure. Peel the carrier warm. When creating a multi-layer design, also make sure to line up your designs carefully. For the final heat application, heat apply the last color for the full 8 seconds. This will seal all of the colors. So there you have it, a soft 4-color design that can be heat pressed in under 20 seconds. CAT Premium Plus, the new look, feel, performance, and price of heat applied material. For more information on Premium Plus or application tips, visit us online at catgutdirect.com.